Hello guys, how are you? I am Engineer Mohd Suleman. I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to start a new series of bar bending schedule. In this series, we will calculate the reinforcement of a beam, column, footing, slabs, etc. etc. So we are starting a new series today. Hello guys, in this video we will find out the reinforcement of beam. So bar bending schedule, this is the diagram of beam. So here clear cover of 20 mm. Okay, these all data have given. So first of all, I'm writing in the given data. Size of beam is equals to 300 and 450. Clear span is equals to 4.5 meter or 4500 mm. Bearing on walls 400 mm. What is the bearing? Bearing is this section. Main reinforcement 20 mm dia, out of 1 is bent up. Here is 1 is the bent up bar, stirrup 8 mm dia, lagged at the rate 200 mm center to center. Anchor bar. So what is the anchor bar? 2 anchor bar of 12 dia, 12 mm of dia. So these data I have given. After that, what is how many steps we have to find? So here first is cutting length of straight bar. So I am stopping the video. So here these topic we have to find out. Okay, first is the cutting length of straight bar, second cutting length of bent up bar, third cutting length of stirrup, fourth number of stirrup required, fifth total weight of steel required in beam. First, cutting length of straight bars. We have formula. Cutting length of straight bar, we have total length of beam minus 2 into clear cover. So here we have total length. So what is the total length? Clear span plus 2 into wall, bearing on walls, bearing wall. Clear span we have to 4500 plus 2 into bearing wall. Bearing, what is the bearing wall? 400. So after calculation, we will get the value of 5300, 5.3 meter. The length of beam is 5.3 minus 2 into clear cover. So what is the clear cover? Clear cover is 20. After the calculation, we will get the value 5260. 5.26 meter. So we have the value of cutting length of straight bar 5.26 meter. After that, we will go to find out the second number of cutting length of bent up bar. Second number, cutting length of bent up bar. Okay. So what is the formula of cutting length of bent up bar? Cutting length of bent up bar. So here we have the formula, length of straight bar plus 2 into 0.42h minus bends. So what is the bends and bends? What is the bends? Bends is equals to, how many bends we have to require? 4 bends. So here 4 bends. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am writing here 4 bends. How many degrees? 45 degrees. Okay. So 45 degrees. How much I will take? 1D. This process is lengthy. I will explain you in next video. So here I am directly writing here. And what is the H? H is equals to D minus 2 into clear cover minus dia of bent bar. So what is the D? D is equals to total depth. Okay. H is the height. How much we are taking? Okay. This is the H. D is equals to 450 minus 2 into clear cover. What is the clear cover? Is equals to 20 minus dia of bent bar. So how much dia? Equals to 20 mm. After the calculation, H we have got 390 mm. So we will apply this formula. So length of straight bar we have find out 5260 plus 2 into 0.42 into H. What is the H value? H is equals to 390 minus bends. So bends equals 1D. How many bends we have taken this problem? 4, 1 into D. D is equals to diameter of bent bar. So what is the diameter of bent bar? Equals to 20. Okay. After the calculation, we have to calculate the value 5507.6 mm. Okay. So in meter, we have got this value 5 meter 0.5076 meter. Okay. After calculation cutting length of bent bar, we will go for cutting length of stirrup. So here step number 3, cutting length of stirrup. we have formula. So cutting length of stirrup. What is the formula? 2a plus b plus hook length minus bends. Okay, so what is a and b? So we are going to in detail. This is b and this is a. Okay, oh sorry, I'm making the diagram here. If we have beam this shape and we have stirrup required in this shape, these are the bars. So b is this value. Okay, a is this value. Okay, I hope you got it. So here, oh sorry, here this is a. So we will find out the value of a. What is a? Width of beam minus 2 into clear cover minus bracket 2 into dia of stirrup. Okay, so what is the width of beam? This value. No, we are finding the value of a, so this value we will take. B width is the 300 mm minus clear cover, this side and this side. So 2 side we are taking. Clear cover is equals to 20 minus 2 into dia of stirrup. What is the dia of stirrup? 8 mm. After calculation, we have got this value 244 mm. Similarly, B is equals to 394. What is the hook length? For 135 degree, what is the hook? This is the hook. We are providing the hook is 135 degree. So this case is another process. For 135 degree, we will take bend is equals to 10d, and for 90 degree bend, for 135 degree 10d, for 90 degree bend 2d, and for 45 degree 1d. Okay, is equals to number of bands into 10d. Okay, so how many numbers we are taking? 2 into 10 into d. What is the d? D is equals to 8 mm. After calculation, we will get the value 160 mm. So cutting length 2, A's value A value 244 plus B's value 394 picked out plus hook length 160, 160 mm minus bends. How many bends we are providing? 3 bends. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Because we are taking a 90-degree and this value already we have taken. So in this problem we will take 3 bends. 3 into 2d into 8. We have to find the value 1388 mm. After that, we will calculate the value of number of stirrup required. Number of stirrup required. How many numbers of stirrup required? So we have the formula. What is the formula? Number of stirrup. Okay. Length of straight bar upon spacing plus 1 to find out the number of stirrup. So number of stirrup, length of straight bar, how much? 5260 divided by how much spacing? 200 plus 1. After the calculation, we will get the value of number of stirrup is equals to 27.3. Approximate 28 numbers. So number of stirrup equals to 28 nose. We have to find out the value of number of stirrup. After that, we will go for calculation of result. Okay. So here, first cutting length of straight bar 5.26 meter. Number 2, cutting length of bent up bar. Cutting length of bent up bar is equals to 5.5076 meter. Number 3, cutting length of stirrup. Cutting length of stirrup is equals to 1.388 meter. 4 number of stirrup required. Number of stirrup required. So how many number we have to required? 28 numbers. Okay. So here we will go for bar bending schedule of beam. BBS of beam. BBS of beam. So I am making the table. We have the table of BBS of beam. So here we will calculate the value of every bars. So first of all, we have the types of bar, die of bar, number, length in meter, total length in meter, weight, kilogram per meter, total weight, kilogram per meter. Okay. First is main bars. In main bar, we have two types of bar. First is straight bar. So what is the die of bar? Is equals to 20 mm. How many numbers we have to require? 2. Length in meter 5.26. So after that we have to calculate the total length. We have find out the total length of the straight bar 10.52. What is the weight in kilogram? So here we have formula 20 square divided by 162.2 into total length 10.52. So after calculation we will get the value of the weight 2.46. Okay, so we have to find out the total weight of a straight bar, 25.87 kilogram per meter. Similarly, we will calculate the bent up bar. So, what is the dia of bent up bar? 20. How many numbers? 1. What is the length? 5.5076. So, what is the total length? The total length is also 5.5076. 5.5076. So, what is the weight? 20 square divided by 162.2. What is the weight of 2.46? 2.46. What is the total weight? After the multiplying of total length, we will get the value of 13.548. Okay. After getting this value, we will calculate the anchor bar. So, what is the dia of anchor bar? 12 mm. How many numbers of anchor bar? This is 2. And what is the length of anchor bar? 5.26. What is the total length of anchor bars? After multiplying to these value, we will get 10.52. After that, we will calculate the weight. So, 12 square mm square upon 162.2. So, what we will get? 0.8877 weight of anchor bar. 0.8877. After multiplying this value 10.52 into multiplying the weight, we will get the value of 9.338. 9.338. After the getting value of anchor bar, we will calculate the value of stirrup. So, what is the dia of stirrups? 8 mm. Number of stirrup 28. Length of stirrup 1.38. Total length of stirrup after multiplying to number 38.64. So, what is the weight of stirrup? 8 square divided by 162.2. We have to find out the value 0.3945. 0.3945. So after calculation, we will, what is the total weight? Total weight into total length. So what is the total weight of stirrup? 15.243. Okay. After calculation, we will calculate the total weight. So these value is 64. Total weight. And add 5% wastage. We will take 5% wastage. A 5% wastage because it's compulsory 3.2. So what is the total? 67.2 kilogram. 67 kilogram steel we will require in our beam. So friends, this is all about this video. Like this video, share this video, and new viewers, please subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.